Hey guys, welcome back to Vancouver Carpenter. So have you been looking for the perfect gift for that lazy apprentice that can't hammer and that isn't inclined to learn how to hammer better anytime soon? Then I've got the tool for you. Says the Air Locker, and it's a pneumatic denailer. I've never tried it yet. The person who I'm working for right now suggested to do a review on this tool. There'll be a link in the description below if we find it useful. But yeah, so let's take a quick look at this thing. What does it have going on here? It's got like a hole right there. No phone calls right now. Why does that always happen? Okay, so it's got a hole right there, and it looks like it is big enough to fit your full-size framing nail. So that just goes in there, and I'm guessing there's a piston in here, or I guess you pull the trigger and then that starts to hit the nail out. So I'm really excited to see how this works. We got all this beautiful old vertical grain fir here from this like 100-year-old house. They ripped out a bunch of door jambs and stuff. And you know, you just can't find stuff like this anymore. So I was thinking that maybe I would denail it and tuck it away in the contractor's graveyard, also known as my storage locker, for that future time that I eventually build something with it. You guys do the same thing? Anyways, all right. Okay, first one. Let's try one of these big ones and just see what happens. Should come out that end. Oh, that's a big old duplex is what that is. All right. That really hits it. Okay. It really hit it out too. Look at that. Well, that's not a duplex. That's a giant finish nail from back when finishers were finishers. That really hit it. Okay. Whoa! That actually shot the nail clear across the yard. So I've learned something about this tool right off the bat. Get some glasses. Wow. Okay, hang on. I'm going to go get some glasses on and I'll be back in a second. All right, you guys. That worked so insanely good so far. I got to try that again. That was fun. But yeah, that first hit, it really hit it hard. Let's try that again. You zoomed right in? Yep. Let's see what happens. Whew! Yeah, it really hits it. How about the second hit? Yeah. I need a hammer now, but the hard part's done. What about just using it on like weird ones like this? I'm like scared of this now. Yeah, that just works. Getting that first hit or two, it really works. Look at that. I'm like so surprised at how good this tool is. The exact words of the person who bought this, whose this is, he said, "I wish I bought one a long time ago. I can see why." That's crazy good. Wow. I wonder what it looks like when you just hit it into the wood, how much of a divot it leaves. Okay, good 1/4-inch divot. So you want to think about that for whatever you're denailing. But wow, I can't believe how good this thing works. Like, it's actually like fun to use. Wow, we should be getting some slow-mo shots of this. Love this tool. No wonder he said he should have gotten one a long time ago. Let's try it on a few more here. How about like one that's all bent over? Well, you can unbend them real easy. That one shot right out. Yeah. Wow. Let's do it on a little finish nail. That's just excessive. Works. What about on a screw? We got some brass screws here. Yeah, that one hit me. This thing works way too good. Oh man. All right, I'm still having fun here. I'm not done, I'm not done. Okay, finish nails. Wow. Just like shoots them out. That's crazy how good and how easy that is. I mean, obviously it doesn't do all the work for you. Like, you still have to do the rest of it, but it really gets you started. The hinge screws is fun. There goes that one. Okay, let's try a really bent nail. Okay, yeah, it goes in there pretty easy, unbends it. Yeah. Like, look at that, they're both even out of there already. That's crazy. I'm just honestly shocked at like how well this tool works. It's not very often that you try something and you're just like actually blown away with the results. So easy. And yeah, there's no reason for me to be pulling the nails out of the ends of all this stuff. Like, normally I would just chop it off if I'm salvaging the wood, but this is too much fun, so I'm gonna keep going. All right, these bent over ones, like, it just, yeah. Oh, no affiliation with any of this, you guys. Just the Amazon thing, right? Like, no affiliation with this company. I don't even know what it is. I'm just like, that one hit me. That one hit you? That's why I made you get your glasses on too. We got the filmer with that one. This thing is wicked. But with great power comes great responsibility. This is definitely going to be like, I don't know, man. Maybe don't put this in your dumbest apprentice's hands. You know, we used to have a game when I would be like, because sometimes you're stripping formwork and you have 2x4s just full of nails. And so you're there denailing them maybe with another laborer. And a lot of times, like, we'd have them set up. And our game used to be to like whip nails at each other as we're pulling them out, right? You know, I'll try and do it to the filmer in a second here. And but don't do that game with this one. Man, this thing's good. Just shocked. Where'd my hammer go? You know? Did I not bring it out? I don't know if you forgot it. I forgot to bring it out. Oh, this thing's ready to be replaced. All right, filmer, you're getting it. This is the game we used to play. Almost got ya. I'm out of practice. No, I got the camera. Yeah, but I don't think it hit the direct lens, which is good. That's a built-in lens on a not cheap camera. But it was worth it. It was worth it. All right, you guys, I think we're done here. I'm obviously messing around as much as your apprentice that you have, that you are considering maybe or maybe not getting this highly effective and potentially dangerous tool for. Because you know, right? Now, my filmer moved. But yeah. Let's fire a couple of these. You could set up some cans on top of a fence. I don't even know where that one went. Here's some screws. This is the best new tool I've ever tried. That one came back at us. That hit the house behind the filmer. Okay, we're done here. You got to know when to fold them. Quit while you're ahead. I haven't hurt myself and I haven't hurt my filmer yet. So yeah, thanks for watching Vancouver Carpenter. If you're interested in this super effective tool, link in the description below. And If you do anything really stupid with it, that's on you. Can't help you there. But yeah, this thing's good. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till the next video. You be careful what you point that at.
Ready?
Yeah.
I just go all the way in and then...
Yeah, just pull the trigger.
That's insane. That's high power. That's so sketchy.
Yep, with great power comes great responsibility.
That's all I want to do.
You done? One last thing, you guys. I didn't even do the most bent ones. Like, straightens them out nicely. Wow, that's cool. You can do like the most bentest ones. What if I just do it just like this? Yeah. Cool. Yeah. That's a tool that makes less work for yourself.